So we have tested HDEAM. Let's test TS from PS. The routines TS from PS and test TS from PS also resides in the file hdm.py, so we can gain access to them by including them in our list of routines we import from HDEAM. The help on TS from PS states that it returns approximate condensation temperature for steam of pressure PS in Pascal. The help on test TS from PS states that it returns nothing, but that it prints out a table with calculated TS, literature TS and deviation. Let's run with the test TS from PS and see what happens. We see that the deviation is small in the temperature range tested. Let's also try to call TS from PS for 10 kilopascal and print that to the screen. We see that we get 99.60, which seems to be fine.